Hi guys, live tayo guys. Pang watch hours. Um, may na lang yung boses ko. My voice is low because my husband is sleeping. So, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. And live lang tayo. Mga friends. Where is my live? Okay, there you go. Thank you guys for thumbs up my live. My voice is lower because husband's sleeping guys. Seven. I'm gonna shout out seven. Seven eyes. Thank you po sa lahat. I don't know. Did you guys get the ads for my live? Let me see. Okay, let me go check in the laptop, guys. If I put there's no harang. I didn't see any harang. Let me see. Yes, there's no harang. Let me see in studio if I edit. Oh, I cannot see that one. Only in the laptop. Okay, let me open another. I'm just gonna open a new window. Big love shout out sa lahat. Everyone. Big love shout out. Thank you for coming to the live. Oh no, I cannot do this. Hold on. Inday, nakakita kag harang, Inday Julie? Did you see harang, Day? Parang wala ditong harang, Day. Hindi ko yata na-sit up. May harang, Day Julie? Kasi I will, I can change it in here in the laptop. Let's see. Oh, na-off di ay. Tika, on pala. Kaya pala. Same. Okay. Okay, let's do it again. I will see if it's gonna do the live. I mean the harang. Hello, haha, Japan. Mega love shout out. I know, wala mang harang, day. Ulitin ko na lang. Hindi. Patayin nyo na lang, day, ulit. Tapos, i-on again. Let me see na CP kung meron ba. Mahina lang boses ko, guys, kasi natulog si asawa. Wala mang harang. Ito kaya isa. Tingnan natin. Meron na, day. Meron na. Kung i-ano mo. Okay, meron palang harang. Meron ng harang, Dong. Thank you, Dong. Thank you for coming. Walang harang kanina kasi na-off ko pala. Tinurn on ko na siya. Kaya meron na. Ay, hindi yan. Ano ba yan? Tuloy na lang yan. Hello, Sis Lee, One Living Manipur. Good morning, good evening, good day. I just do a silent live because I don't feel like showing my face right now. But thank you guys for coming. Thank you guys for coming to the live. Thank you, Sisi. Oo naman ka diya, madam. Yeah. Natulog si asawa dong. He's sleeping right now. That's why I don't want to make my voice a little loud. Kaya sensya na. Kaya nga silent ito. Silent lang tayo ngayon pag may time. Thank you sa mga pa-thumbs up dyan. Thank you po sa inyong lahat. Thank you everyone. Hi, Michael Wong. Thank you for coming to my live. Okay, now there's Harang. Everybody just want Harang. Everyone Harang. Hello, Vinko. Just silent live right now. I don't know how can we make oh, maybe I can do it in the YouTube studio in laptop because Poching said that we can do highlights at 10 minutes. So not sure if it's possible, but I will try if we can do it. Just whispering, guys, my husband is sleeping. I'm taking a nap. That's why I'm gonna make silent this one later, but okay, I will pin your Bingo. I will drop your link, guys, and we're just gonna slowly or later maybe I will do silent. Husband is sleeping. But we still have to do our job. Our job is to do live. Thank you, Binko. Oh, big love shout out distracted. May image redeem. Okay, I will go to your sige dong, okay na dong, just to upload. Thank you for coming, guys. I will just go to your short, distracted me.
At the end of the day, you can't.
Ayan. I will make a mute, guys. Okay, I will make two engagement for you. Distracted. Just shorts for now. And I will go to Vinko. Vinko vlog. Nigalap shout out. Let me see if I can go to channel. Is that the 1 hour Vinko? I'll just go to the 6 minutes. I'll go to your 6 minutes Bingo. I cannot go to that 1 hour yet. Maybe later. Yeah, I made 2 shorts for you. See, distracted. Mega love shout out everyone. I'm gonna go to YouTube studio, guys, and I will try to edit how to do 10 minutes highlights. You should make a highlights, guys, for your live so that you can have extra. You can have extra, what do you call this? Extra video to post. Okay, let me see if I can. So it's on already, guys.